You and your friends have finally decided to play D&D and you just got volunteered as the DM. Today I'm going to give you 3 tips to overcome the fear of being the Dungeon Master. When starting out as a new Dungeon Master, so many different worst case scenarios can start running through your head. You start questioning your knowledge of the rules, you think you'll mess them up, you think about all the work that you have to do in order to DM, and then the big one, you wonder if your players will even have fun, whether you should DM in the first place at all. First of all, take a deep breath and remember it's a game. At the end of the day, the only thing that matters is whether your players, and yes, even you, are having fun. If the answer is no, then you need to reassess why you're playing in the first place. Second, you need to realize that your DMing style will be different than literally anyone else on the planet. So stop comparing yourself to the Mercers and Mulligans and think about the insert your surname here's. You are the best DM like you. Period. And lastly, the best way to overcome the fear of DMing is simply to do it more. Practice makes perfect, after all. Maybe start with some one-shots or mini adventures, get some feedback, and try to learn something new each session. With a growth mentality, you'll come to accomplish a lot more as a DM than wishing you knew it all at session 1. By realizing you don't know everything, you can open yourself up to a new experience each session. Most importantly, just remember that if your party keeps coming back, then you're doing more right than you are doing wrong, and that is a win in my book. Keep growing. Never forget that even if you mess up A or forget B, you are also doing a lot right. And remember, DMing is more about storytelling than it is about the rules. Keep at it, and over time you'll come to find a lot of it just comes naturally. I hope this helps turn that fear of being the Dungeon Master into excitement. Leave your own tips in the comments below to help those fearful first-time DMs. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.